Hello traders, welcome to the Forex Daily Open, May 6, 2014, on a Tuesday. Rain, clouds, thunder and lightning in Pattaya, Thailand today. However, the show must go on. We are running a little bit behind schedule today due to the bad weather and I needed to shut down the computers. But welcome to Trading with Bill. Traders, if you would give me one moment so I can introduce myself to you. My name is William K. Gilday. I am a professional Forex trader. I started trading in 2006. In 2008, I retired from the Fire Rescue Department in the great state of Florida. 10 days later, I came to Thailand on a tourist visa for 3 months, and traders, it is 2014 and I am still here. So that's just a little bit about myself. I love what I do, traders, and that is so important that whatever job you're in, you absolutely love what you do. I love trading Forex. I love the challenge. I love the camaraderie amongst traders. And it's just a great experience and quite an adventure. So traders, before we get to the news, let's go to the risk disclaimer. All right. As we know, traders, anytime you are trading has a risk. No matter what instrument you are trading, if you put a trade on, there is a risk. All right, the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risk and willing to accept them in order to trade and invest in the Forex markets or any other market you might trade in, options, currencies, futures, stocks, bonds, anything that you trade, or indices. Please realize there's a risk. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose, traders. If you are trading your live capital to pay your mortgage, please rethink that idea and trade a demo account until you can trade the Forex markets comfortably. All right, traders, let's take a peek at my website front page here. This is Trading with Bill, and that is at tradingwithbill.com. Traders, I just have a couple of arrows here, and this is showing you that we have a complimentary live trading room. And all you need to do is take note of the ID number every day that's placed on the site. And then if you look right of the chart, you can see where it says visit the live trading room with Bill, and click on that, put the ID number in there, and go to meeting will bring you right into our live trading room. And it is a great time. We'll get to that in a little bit. We'll talk more about the live trading room. However, let's get to today's news calendar. All right. The Aussie today had interest rate decision, and it came out at 2.5% unchanged. Also, the Aussie, the Royal Bank of Australia, has a rate statement that's coming out. And to my knowledge, it has not come out yet. We are still waiting, and I'm coming to you about 70 minutes before the London Open. The Great British Pound and the European session today has services PMI. And the CAD, 1 hour before the New York Open, has IV PMI. Traders, be advised that all 4 of these news events are high impact. All right, traders, let me take 1 minute to talk about our complimentary live trading room that we bring to you every day. And yes, traders, it is complimentary for you. Never trade alone again. Traders, I traded alone, and it is not a fun thing to do. If you have to work, if you want to call this work, I call it enjoyable, and make trading enjoyable every day. So come join us. We have a great bunch of ladies and guys in the trading room that basically share ideas, trading tools, platforms. We have scalpers, intraday traders, and we have one that's a position trader. Trades the daily chart. Very interesting. So, traders, I hope to see you all there at tradingwithbill.com. All right, traders, let's get to the charts. And the first one we're going to take care of today is the beast. That's right, the pound yen. This is the daily chart. Traders, take a look at this nice uptrend movement. Look at the spatial intelligence. What is spatial intelligence? We talked about it yesterday. Spatial intelligence says basically you look at the chart within 3 seconds, 4 seconds, you see what the chart is saying, and this to me, traders, is saying this is in an uptrend. We keep getting higher highs and higher lows, and we are bullish. So my bias for the pound yen today is we are going to look for long trades. All right, traders, let's get to the 1 hour chart. This is the Pound Gen 1 hour chart. We are in a range currently hovering at the 200 exponential moving average. And we are looking for a bullish candlestick formation at present. Anytime this can happen. And we are looking for a higher low, and we want to take this trade to the long side. Traders, at the daily pivot point, you can see where I have the word scale out. I would scale out of my position and take some profits off the table. We want to take profit at our profit zone, which is the R1 reversal pivot point. So we want to take full profits at that area there and get out of our trade in profit. Traders, I do not have a stop on this chart, and the reason is I do not know where our entry is going to be, as current price is above the 200 exponential moving average. So I would have to figure that out after I enter the trade to where my stop would be. Traders, I would think it would be directly under the 200 exponential moving average on this 1 hour chart. Traders, if you trade the 15-minute chart, here we go. Basically the same situation. We're hovering at the 200 exponential moving average. We have not closed above it yet today. I'm looking for the close above it, and you can see I did place the stop on this, and this is basically down below the previous low, and I'm looking to take the trade above the 200 exponential moving average on a bullish candlestick formation, and I'm looking to head up to our take profit zone, which is again the R1 on the 15-minute chart. So the bottom line is look to take a long trade with a close above the 200 exponential moving average with a bullish formation. Traders, let's get to our next pair, and let's take a look at one of my favorites is the Aussie dollar. I picked the Aussie dollar today because we have news, and the Aussie's in the news and looks like could be moving the markets negative or positive. Doesn't make a difference to us as traders. We go up and we'll go down. All right, so this is the daily chart hovering again at that 200 exponential moving average. However, price is above the 200 EMA, and we have a nice uptrend. The high on this chart is 0.9459, as indicated on my chart. So my bias is to take the trade to the long side. Traders, let's go and take a look at the 1 hour chart. This is the Aussie dollar 1 hour chart, traders, and you can see this is in a nice uptrend. Look at that arrow I put in there, indicating the uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Did its pullback. I'm expecting it to give us a bullish candlestick formation above the 200 exponential moving average, and let's take this long. It is a very, very nice long trade, and that's what we're looking to do. Need to sit on our hands and wait till price gives us our entry. At the moment, there is nothing to do. It is in sort of a range, and just have to sit and hang on. All right. Traders, if you trade the 15-minute chart, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. This is the Aussie dollar. Traders, I wanted to point out, if you look right underneath where I have Aussie dollar 15-minute chart, I have what I put in there, news wick and an arrow. This was the news data that came out, and you can see where it spiked. And I just wanted you to realize that that's a news wick. So, you know, if you were going to do a fib, that is not where you'd want to do the fib. You want to do it on a current swing, not on a news swing. All right. So let's go down, back down the chart, and let's take a look what we have here. We have prices above the 200 exponential moving average. We do have a bullish candle. Again, traders, this is about 70 minutes before the London Open. So I am looking for this to give us another bullish candlestick formation and take this to the long side. You can see, traders, where I have my take profit at the pivot point, and you can see where I have the stop. So it is looking like this is a minimum of a 1-to-1 risk to reward. I think it's going to be more like a 2-to-1. If we get another higher low here, I think we could take this to the long side. Beware that at R1, we might want to scale depending where our entry is, and it's going to bounce there, traders. Realize when you get to that R1 pivot point, it's probably going to bounce back down a little bit. So don't be alarmed if you see some red candles there. Once it breaks that, take some profit off the table. And when we get to the take profit area of R2, I would look to get out of the position totally, and I would go about 10 pips or 8 pips before R2 and get out. This way you don't get stuck in the rejection. All right, traders, it has been a pleasure being with you on another trading day. I'd like to thank you very much for joining me. Please, if you enjoyed the video, please check the like button on the YouTube video. I would appreciate that. And leave your comments, positive and negative. I want your comments. We want to make this the best it can be. Traders, thank you again. My name is Bill, and thank you for joining me. TradingWithBill.com. See you tomorrow, traders. Take care now. Bye-bye.